Hey everybody! In this video, we will set up MarketMaker with MetaTrader 5. Open your browser and navigate to our web shop. Log into your account. Use the code sent to your email. Click on Go to Store. The menu buttons Guide Downloads will be visible in the menu bar only when you buy the keyboard. You can read through the guide to set up your keyboard if you like. You can watch this video or you can read the guide. Both follow the same steps to set up MarketMaker. On this page, you can download all the software. First, download MT5 client. Then, download macOS server. Lastly, download Roboto font. Open your Downloads destination folder. You should have 3 files: MarketMakerTK.dmg, MNTKX5, Roboto.ttf. Open Roboto.ttf with Fontbook macOS app. Press Install. Confirm Roboto.ttf is installed today. This step is optional. Double-click MarketMakerTK.dmg. Read the license agreement. Press Agree. Drag and drop MarketMaker TK into Applications. Give it time to install. Close the installation window. Open System Settings. Open Privacy and Security. Open Input Monitoring. Press the plus button. Search for MarketMaker TK in Applications. Select MarketMaker TK and press Open. Now the app has the necessary permission to work with your trading keyboard. Close all open windows. Run MarketMaker TK. Press Open. Press Options, then press Allow. This will give MarketMaker permission to show notifications. Double-check that you received notifications from the app. If you see listening for app connections, then the app is all set up. If you have not received notifications from MarketMaker TK, you can turn on notifications in the settings. Open System Settings. Open Notifications. Open MarketMaker TK. Toggle Allow Notifications on. Toggle all notification options on. Close window. Now download and install MetaTrader 5 from your browser. You can skip this if you have MT5 already installed. Press Download for macOS. Open Download Destination folder. Double-click MetaTrader5.pkg.zip. Double-click MetaTrader5.pkg. Press Continue 2 times. Press Agree. Press Install. Press OK. Press Close. MT5 will automatically open with some browser pages. Let it all fully load. Be sure that your trading account is live and active. Update to the latest MT5 version. Press Move to Trash to delete the MT5 installer. Now MT5 is installed and ready for MarketMaker. From here the tutorial continues if you had it already installed. We need to place MTKX5 in the right folder. In Finder, click on Go, then on Computer. Click on Macintosh HD. Press Command key plus Shift key plus Dot key to show hidden files. Click on Users. Click on your user account. Click on Library. Click on Application Support. Click on Net MetaTrader 5. Click on Drive_C. Click on Program Files. Click on MetaTrader 5. Click on MQL5. Click on Experts. Open your folder with the MMTK file. Drag and drop MMTK into Experts folder. Open your MetaTrader 5. Refresh Expert Advisors in the Navigator window. After refresh, you should see MMTK in the list. Click on Tools. Click on Options. Click on Expert Advisors. Check Allow Algorithmic Trading. Deselect the Disable Algorithmic options. Check Allow DLL and check Allow Web Requests. Add 1 to 7.0.0.1 without the quotes. Press OK. Now we will connect our trading keyboard. Press Command plus spacebar. Type in Bluetooth and press Enter. Toggle on your MarketMaker and press the pairing button. The pairing button is next to the on/off toggle of your MarketMaker Trading Keyboard. You should see a green light blink on your MarketMaker. Press Connect. Test that it works by pressing Open Calc. Navigate to your MetaTrader 5. Drag and drop MMTK on your chart. Confirm Allow DLL is checked. Press OK. Now your MarketMaker is set up with MetaTrader 5. Test that it works by pressing Open Calc. Confirm that you receive Trading App Connected notification. If not, please contact customer support. If you would like an MTK to auto-apply on your chart, follow these steps. Open a new chart. You can see that the top right corner is empty. The MMTK Expert Advisor is not applied when opening a new chart. Drag and drop MMTK on your chart. Press OK. Right mouse button, click on the chart. Hover over Templates and click Save Template. Type in default.tpl. Press Save. Open a new chart and test if it auto-applies via MTK Expert Advisor. Press Open Calc to confirm it works. Your MarketMaker is now ready for use with MetaTrader 5. Watch the video walkthrough to learn its features. That is all, folks. Thanks for watching.